In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Morph Transition. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to apply the Morph transition. This is the first step in creating a seamless animation effect between slides. Once that's complete, duplicate the slide by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Slide. This action creates an identical slide that you can modify to create the morph effect. Next, you'll want to make changes to the duplicated slide. You can move, resize, or change the color of objects. These modifications will be the basis of the morph transition, as PowerPoint will animate the differences between the two slides. From here, click on the Transitions tab located in the top menu bar. This tab is where you can find various transition effects to apply to your slides. With that out of the way, select Morph from the list of transition options. Choosing this option will apply the morph transition to the slide, creating a smooth animation effect. Now adjust the duration of the transition if needed. You can do this by entering a time in the duration box on the right side of the Transitions tab. This controls how quickly or slowly the morph effect occurs. Finally, preview the transition by clicking on the Preview button. This allows you to see the morph effect in action and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a morph transition in PowerPoint, enhancing your presentation with dynamic and engaging animations.